Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the recycled platform hanging bird feeder from the company Kingsyard. So let's open it up. That's with all my purchases. I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, packaging like, etc. So this comes in 3 different colors. They have a brown, they have a blue, and they have a green. I went with the brown just because it was something different. But those are your options. Hopefully you can see the box okay. Now this company advertises a lifetime warranty. Because this is recycled wood, I'm hoping I won't need that. I'll show you that. 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed. Main reason I bought it is I thought the price was great for recycled wood. A lot of times when you get these recycled items, they're rather expensive. I thought this feeder was priced very reasonable. So thank you card. And then here's the feeder itself. Seems to be pretty well made. There are a couple little cracks here where I can see light going through. I don't know if that's going to hurt anything. Everywhere else it seems to be pretty good. It's got a mesh bottom, which is going to allow basically moisture to be able to get through and let air come through. But the mesh looks to be small enough that you shouldn't lose any of your seed. Or not. The mesh bottom does not come out, so if you're wanting to clean it, you would basically need to clean it while it's in the feeder. Hanging cables seem sturdy enough, and then you've got a hook on top here for hanging it. Pretty simple stuff. If I get any birds using it, I'll try and attach those to the video. I hope it helps.